this is Adeline. Just wanted to give you an update as far as stocks that you can invest in. Please like and subscribe, and also hit the notifications bells. And also share it with your friends. Share this channel with your friends. Okay, so I'm just gonna go straight to the point. So some of these stocks that I'm gonna mention to you is like stocks that anyone can invest in, whether you are a beginner or either seasonal or either that you experience stock buyers. Okay, so this is penny stocks that I'm gonna introduce to you, but they are warrants. Instead of just them being penny stocks, they are the penny stocks also come with warrants. So the warrants is pretty much that's a way of the company can make more money because the company just started, or either that they want to sell more share of their stocks. So they pretty much they have the regular stocks and then they have the warrants as another way of selling more stocks. So from what you see on the screen right now is one of the company that Blaze Holding is one of the company that have both the stocks and the warrants. So if you can see on the screen, if I take the W off, the W stands for warrants. So if I take the W off, then it becomes the regular stock, which is BZAI. So the stock is $4.81, but if you add a W behind it, the warrant is 85 cents. Well, because the reason that it's 85 cents is because the price shoot up on Friday. So that's why it shows 85 cents. So when I bought the stocks, it was 41 cents. Like on the last Thursday, it was 41 cents when I bought it. The next day when I woke up, which was Friday, it shoot up to 85 cents when I checked the pre-market. And the best way you check the pre-market, just like I'm showing you right now, you just go to Google search and then you type in the stocks symbols, which is BZAIW, and then it's going to show you over here in the morning, it's going to say pre-market instead of after hours. After hours is during evening time when the market closes. That's when it say after hours. But during the day, when the stocks, before the market open, there's a pre-market price. It will either show you, just like it show you right now, it will show you either that it's in red or if it's in green. When I woke up that morning on Friday, I saw this stock shoot up to 107% up from 41 cents that I bought it the day before to shoot up to 85%. That's like a 44 cents gain on the stocks. So I had like several thousand stocks worth. That's like from Thursday to Friday, that's one day. Because these stocks, you could see that they may be red today, and then the next day they shoot up to like 10%, 20%, 30%, 50, 60, 80, 100% up, where you make double your money or you quadruple your money by buying these simple little warrant stocks. And the reason that the stocks went up is because the company raised $120 million in AI infrastructure in Asia. So the price shoot up just because the company raised money, I guess, to invest into the company. And also other ways that the stock will shoot up, it would be because that other company are buying it in large amount. So that would shoot up the price. And also when you hear that any positive news about the company, that will shoot up the price of the stocks also, the stocks and the warrants. So in that case, I would suggest that you buy both the stocks and the warrants because I do buy them both. That way you're making money on both sides of the company. Best way for you to invest in these stocks is that you can go to fidelity.com. I think that's the only place where you can buy these warrants stocks. If you go to fidelity.com, you open an account there, you can start with $50, $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, whatever the amount that you can spend, just start with that. So that way you building your account. So whenever you see the price goes up 10, 20, 30%, sell it. Whenever you see the price goes down 10, 20, 30%, buy more. Don't say, oh, I'm going to lose money. No. Well, it's a sign for you to buy more. So whenever you see the price goes down, you always run to the fire and get more. Because when you buy more, when the stock is down, when it's up, you're going to make more money. So you have to look at it that way. It's a positive, it's an opportunity and a positive way for you to look at the stocks. So whether it's down or up, it's an opportunity for you to buy or sell. Okay. So when you open the account with Fidelity, it's going to ask you to if you agree with the term of you buying penny stocks, just agree to it because yes, you are signing up to buying penny stocks and warrants. So that way they're aware of it, that you were aware of it and they're aware of it. So that way you can start buying these things. Some of these stocks, they could be like, for me, before I buy warrant stocks, I always look for price under 40 cents and under. So if it's like 10 cents or 5 cents or 20 cents or 2 cents, I buy as many thousands worth of stocks. If it's way below the price that I want, I buy thousands of these stocks. So when it shoot up to few cents or few or 25 cents or however amount that it shoot up to, I know I'm going to make money off of it. So that way you're always thinking that, okay, these stocks can shoot up to like 20, 30, 40, 50%. So if I have a few thousand, 10,000, 20,000, 40,000, 100,000 worth of stocks, I could make a large amount of money from buying these stocks. So that's the way that you have to look at it. And you always want to look at the expiration date of the stocks. So with this Blaze Holding stocks, if you scroll down the bottom, it tells you the warrant is going to expire on June 13, 2030. So you have 5 years that you can invest into these stocks. So pretty much you can buy and sell, keep on buying and selling until it's expired. So once it's expired, if the company wants to renew the warrants, then we will know. If not, then pretty much you make your money, the company make their money, and then we all go our separate ways. It sounds like a relationship. Like once it's over. So everybody go their separate ways. Yes, that's what it is, pretty much. So I'm going to show you some of the stocks that you can start investing in, some of the warrants, so you can get your foot wet. So the stock that I just showed you, which is the BZAI. So this is the stock itself, and then this is the warrant. So the W stands for warrant. So, and I put the expiration date on how long you can buy the stock and sell the stock up until 2030, January 13, 2030. And then all these stocks, they don't have warrants, but those are the stocks that I have been making money off of. So you do want to do your research on Google to make sure that I mean, they are cheap enough for you to buy them, but you do want to do your research before you invest into these stocks. So this is a suggestion, but I'm not telling you to buy whole or sales, but I'm just giving you, I'm just making you aware of those. Put them in your radar where you can do your own research, and also, um, if you do decide to invest in those, so those will be your starting points. Um, and then Dave is also another stock that has been shooting up. Excuse me. And then the warrants also, it's gonna be expired on January 5th, 2027, which will be 2 years from now. So you do want to and what I will do is keep on on a daily basis. I will either post them through the I will do a video and show you some of the stocks that I've been that I am investing in. And if you do want to get involved and start investing in those, do your research first, and then you can start investing in those. And then these are other stocks that I invest in. They don't have warrants, but those that do have warrants, I'm letting you know so you can buy both the stocks and the warrants, and you can make money both sides. So I will keep you. I will keep bringing these stocks to you so that way you're aware um, of while I'm doing it, you can do it also. But that's up to you if you choose to. But for me, it has been making me money. So that's why I'm like sharing it with you. So if you do decide that you want to do anything with them, that's a choice. With these stocks, as soon as you see that they are green, that they shoot up to the sky is the limit, just like I show you with the BZAI, where I make double the amount of money that I spend. You want to sell it quick. If it's red, it's an opportunity for you to buy. Don't wait, or it's gonna shoot up to the moon, or I'm gonna wait for days for these stocks to keep going. No. Once, as soon as they shoot up to the sky to 100%, they could shoot down to 100%. So that's why you don't want to wait. You don't want to hold on to it. It is not something that you're gonna invest in long term. It's if you see that it's green in the morning, be ready to sell. If you see that it's red in the morning when you check the pre-market on Google.com, you sell, you buy. When it's red, you buy. When it's green, you sell it. That's the only way you're gonna make money off of it. That's the only way you can make money on a daily basis and also weekly basis. And also, if you're buying these multiple stocks, warrant stocks, you pretty much it's not so much that you pretty much would make money, because one stock can make you money and then the other stocks may be going red. The other stock can be green today and then another stock can be red. So it's when you invest in multiple of warrant stocks, it's good because it shows that some of these stocks can go up and then some can go down, and that's how you make money on the warrants daily, by buying multiple of these stocks. So I'm going to keep on bringing you videos so that way you can um, invest in these stocks also. So I'll do most of the work, just like you have regular full-time job. I have full-time job also, but I'll do the research and bring them to you, and then you can do your own small research before you invest in them, and then use Fidelity to buy them. So like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bells, and tell your family about the channel so that way you can all participate in it and becoming investors. Okay, so I will speak to you guys soon.